For the 2021 model year, the Acura TLX is a brand new model, replacing the aging TL and TSX. Pretty much Acura took the cheaper TSX and the larger, more expensive TL and put them in a blender and mixed them all together, and you get the TLX. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff and Isuzu, and today we're going to talk about this 2021 TLX Advance. Let's dive in. It might be 2026, but this 21 TLX does not look dated by any means. It's beautiful, it's efficient, it's luxurious, and it's exciting. That was basically Acura's whole idea behind the TLX. They wanted to make an exciting new product, offering a competitively priced compact luxury sedan with Acura's amazing reliability and resale value. Acura is Honda's luxury division, just like Honda's, which have a reputation for amazing reliability, durability, and resale value that also transcends to the Acura product line. It features a stylish, sleek body with chiseled lines, eye-catching, beautiful indeed. And 21, there are two engines available. You can get the 4-cylinder, or you get a larger, more powerful V6. Even though this is the entry-level engine, it does not lack in power at all. Over 270 horsepower, not a big vehicle. This thing is really quick. Yet being matched to a 10-speed automatic transmission is very efficient and loves to sip fuel just as long as you can behave yourself. A nice styling in the rear, dual exiting trapezoidal exhaust finishers look really nice. Front wheel drive is standard, but this has the optional SH-AWD drive, which stands for Super Handling All-Wheel Drive. The Super Handling All-Wheel Drive system is a proprietary product for Acura. They've been using it for years. We also saw it on a few Honda models over the years as well, like the older Prelude. So what's special about the Super Handling All-Wheel Drive? It's not a marketing gimmick, it actually really works. Read some reviews of Acura's equipped with the Super Handling All-Wheel Drive and you can see that the automotive press raves about it. Let's see if I can put together a diagram to help simplify this. So basically, let's pretend we're driving along and then we're coming to a right-hand corner. So you're taking that hard right-hand corner. Well, guess what's happening is when you're taking that right-hand corner, all the weight's gonna shift to the left-hand side. Therefore, with more weight on the left-hand side, the left side wheels are gonna have more grip. So with the Super Handling All-Wheel Drive system, it vectors the power to the left side wheels that have the most grip. Likewise, when you're going the other direction, it's gonna vector it to the right. So that makes it feel smaller, nimbler, and a lot more sporty. It's a lot of fun to drive, but also very practical every day. And with all-wheel drive, this is a great vehicle for the snow belt. Even though it's a compact, it's a nice, spacious interior, beautiful perforated seats with nice contrast stitching and contrast piping. Of course, one of the best places to sit is in the front. Gorgeous interior, all-season floor liners, nice contoured leather seats feel wonderful. We have a wireless charger. This is almost like a tracking pad on a laptop, giving you haptic feedback. To access different menus in the infotainment screen. The 10-speed automatic transmission is very easy to use. We have these push buttons, really straightforward for you. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, and hit it again to put it in sport mode. We have heated and ventilated front seats, dual zone climate control. We have this drive mode selector, which will change the behavior of the vehicle so you can toggle it in different directions. So you have normal, we have sport, we have comfort. So that'll basically make changes to the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity. I think that'll also make changes to steering effort, calibrating for the vehicle for different driving situations. We have a rear parking camera, 360 around view monitor. This one, of course, has navigation. It might look like the screen's flickering, but that's just the frame rate with the GoPro. Frame rate's different on that screen, so believe me, it's perfectly fine. We have a nice moonroof, nice rimless rearview mirror, universal garage door opener. The leather steering wheel feels wonderful in your hands. Really low mileage on this one, only 17,000. For a vehicle that's 5 years old, a lot of these have like 70, 80, 100,000 miles. Most people average 10,000 miles a year. So this one is very far below average. We also have a graphical heads-up display, kind of hard. I'll see if I can zoom in, but it projects the speed, other information, so you don't have to look down off the road and be distracted. You can also adjust it. You can adjust the brightness, make it move up and down, depending on how short or tall you are, you might want to move it up and down. Heated steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise control, steering assist, lovely interior of open port wood trim, synthetic leather and stitching in the dashboard, on the doors, very well done. This has a nice high quality feel about it. No squeaks and rattles, very well engineered vehicle. Well, thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. My name is Joe, we're Scarff and Isuzu. We've been in business since 1922. Over 100 years, we sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.